Welcome, and today let's look at something called Profitability Index. So Profitability Index is the ratio between the present value of a project and the cash outflow. So under today's topic, let's look at the decision criteria under Profitability Index. So under Profitability Index, if you get a value which equals to 1 after doing the computation, so that means the project is indifferent. If you get a value which is greater than 1, that means you accept the project. If you get a value which is less than 1, that means you reject the project. So let's go down and do our computation. So here a company is considering an investment which has the following cash flows and a discount rate, which is also the cost of capital of 10%. So let's arrange these. So we will start with the first year, or else also we can compute everything as given under this question. But let's start with the first year, which is the year. We have the cash flow, we have the interest factor, and we have the present value of the project. So we have the first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So under the first year, we have 55,000. We also have 58,000. We have 58,000. We have 65,000. We have lastly we have 25,000. So the next part is to compute the interest factor. Let me move this. I think it seems to be so near. Let PV be here. To compute the interest factor, you take 1 plus r raised to power negative n. R being the rate and n being the number of years. So the first part we will compute for the first year, that is 1.1 raised to power negative 1. We will get 0.909. It is 0.909. If we multiply it by 58,000, we will get 50,000. The second part is 1.1 raised to power negative 2. That is 0.826426. We can stop it. We can stop from there. So we will get 47,934. 47,934. This is 50,000, sorry. So if we compute the other ones, the third year will be 48,835. 48,835. The other one that is 17,000 and 75 and 75. So if we add that, we're going to get 163,000 844. So profitability index being the ratio between the present value and the cash outflow. So we'll have to take 163,000 divided by 163,844 divided by the capital outlay, which is 200,000. That is 163,844 divided by 200,000. So we will get 0.819. Our answer will be 0.819. And remember, I say that the decision criteria under profitability index, if you get your answer being equals to 1, that means the project is indifferent. You can either accept or reject. If you get an answer which is greater than 1, that means you accept the project. The project is viable. If you get an answer which is less than 1, you reject the project. So here our answer is 0.819. So it is less than, which is less than 1. So that means we will have to reject this project.